How to use Spotify Jam.
Open your Spotify app and navigate to the Connect tab. Look for the option to start a session or something similar. Then select the option to initiate a new listening session. After starting the session, Spotify will provide you with the link or some other method of inviting friends. You can share this link through messaging apps like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, or through social media platforms like Twitter or Instagram. Your friends will need this link to join the listening session. Friends receive the invitation and click on the provided link. This link will likely redirect them to the Spotify app or prompt them to open it if they haven't already. Once in the app, they'll join the session and be able to listen to the music along with you. Once everyone is in the session, any participant can control the playback. This means that anyone can pause, play, skip tracks, or adjust the volume. It's a collaborative experience where everyone has some level of control over what's being played. In addition to listening together, Spotify Jam often includes a chat feature. This allows participants to communicate with each other while listening to the music. You can share thoughts about the music, recommend tracks, or just chat about whatever comes to mind. When you're finished listening together, you can end the session. This typically involves closing the session from within the Spotify app or following some other procedure provided by Spotify. Remember, Spotify Jam may still be in testing or maybe not available in all regions, so it's worth checking if it's available or not. I hope this video was helpful, and that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.